Greetings, everyone. I'm Dr. Vikesh Kaur, founder principal Doon International School, Jammu, and president Jammu Sahodaya Schools Complex. It's a matter of great honor and privilege for Doon International School that our relentless efforts and our hard work has been acknowledged and recognized at global stage. On 30th of December 2025 in Bangkok, Thailand, we have received an international honor, that is International School Award, as well as I have been fortunate enough to receive International Principal of the Year Award on 30th December 2025. So I must mention that in entire India, there were only three schools who have been selected for this prestigious award. And moreover, from Jammu and Kashmir, we were the only school who have been adorned with this great honor. And since last 10 years, we have worked very hard, and it's all because of the invaluable leadership of our chairman, Mr. G.N. Tantre, our vice chairman, Mr. M.A. Tantre, my entire management and admin team, my teachers, students, and the parents. Thank you so very much for your commitment and contribution, which has made it possible that we have reached to this pinnacle of success. Because on the global stage, getting an award and getting acknowledgement is not an easy thing. And it's a great honor for Jammu and Kashmir as well, because we have brought Jammu on the global map as well. So it's a great achievement for Doon International School to get an international award. In the entire across India, there were only three schools who have been awarded with this International School Award. This is such a great achievement for our school, especially for Jammu and Kashmir, that we have brought Jammu and Kashmir on the global map, and that is all because of they have recognized our educational excellence, innovation, and the global engagement as well. So in this conference, the main theme was the integration of artificial intelligence in education, its ethics, opportunities, and global perspectives. Moreover, it was a great honor for me as well as the founder principal of Doon International School that I have also been awarded as the International Principal of the Year Award, which is a great achievement. And I think since last 32 years, whatever I have earned through my contributions in education sector, I think that they have been acknowledged and recognized, and that is how I have received this award. Now, talking about the award, I want to mention that since 2015, we have completed 10 years in this era of education. And Doon International School, under the invaluable leadership of our Honorable Chairman, Mr. G.N. Tantre, our Vice Chairman, Mr. M.A. Tantre, our management team, in which we have our directors and school managers, our Vice Principal is sitting here, and the entire team of Doon International School, in which we have our teachers, non-teaching staff. Everybody has contributed in abundance, and that is why the school has reached to the pinnacle of success. And acknowledging our hard work, our relentless efforts and endeavors on the global stage is such a great, I think, achievement we never dreamt of. और मुझे लगता है जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को भी हमारे लिए ताली बजानी चाहिए, बिकॉज फॉर JNK इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर एंड प्राउड, बिकॉज जम्मू कश्मीर से ये एक अकेला स्कूल था जिसे वहाँ पर, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर इट गेव मी गूज बम्स व्हेन इट वाज अनाउंस्ड दैट दून इंटरनेशनल स्कूल फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एक ग्लोबल स्टेज के ऊपर, जब हमारी ही स्टेट का, ऑल्दो वी आर फाइटिंग फॉर स्टेटहुड, बट आई स्टिल से हमारे जम्मू कश्मीर का नाम लिया गया, इससे बड़ा प्राउड मोमेंट कोई नहीं हो सकता था. एंड मोर ओवर, आई बीइंग फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, the principal of Doon International School, I got an opportunity to anchor the entire international event. तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात थी, इतने बड़े बड़े लोग वहाँ बैठे हुए थे और बहुत बड़े पॉलिसी मेकर्स एंड प्रोफेसर्स एंड एडुकेटर्स और अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड वहाँ बैठे थे और उनके सामने एक इतने बड़े इवेंट को एंकर करना और पूरा होल्ड करना, आई थिंक इससे बड़ा प्राउड मोमेंट मेरे लिए भी कुछ नहीं था. एंड दैट इज़ ऑल बिकॉज आई एम द प्रिंसिपल of Doon International School, and this entire event was organized by recognized and very precious organization which is Center for Education Development, which is in collaboration with Niti Aayog India and is recognized by MSME under the leadership of Dr. Priyadarshi Nayak. He was the man behind the entire event, and I am grateful, and my generous gratitude goes to the entire team of Doon International School, especially to my skillful and competent teachers and students. और सबसे बड़ा जो हाथ है इस सक्सेस के पीछे वो है हमारे पेरेंट्स का. मुझे वो पहला दिन याद आता है when we were waiting for the admissions, and in the first year we had 136 students in our roll, and after 10 years we are 2300. I think ये prosperity और success जो हुई है ये सब हमारे पेरेंट्स का जो ट्रस्ट हमारे ऊपर रहा है, तो उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सभी पेरेंट्स को, क्योंकि whatever initiative we wanted to take, कुछ बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ आते स्कूल में करने के लिए, लेकिन वो एग्जीक्यूट तभी हो पाते व्हेन पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट अस. बच्चों ने ही करना होता है और बच्चों को किसी भी लेवल पर ले जाने के लिए पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, और हमें वो बहुत मिला है. आई थिंक इन अबंडेंस एंड इन बाउंटीज़ मिला है. तो मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद पेरेंट्स को, मेरे बच्चों को, जो स्टूडेंट्स हमारे स्कूल के जिन्होंने हमारा नाम हर चीज़ में रोशन किया है, वेदर इट इज़ एकेडमिक्स, इट्स स्पोर्ट्स और एनी काइंड ऑफ स्किल एक्टिविटी. आई थिंक हर चीज़ में बच्चों ने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया है. मेरे टीचर्स जो फ्रंट लाइन वॉरियर्स रहे हैं, जिनका कनेक्ट रहता है बच्चों के साथ और पेरेंट्स के साथ, दे हैव डन वंडर्स with innovation and with creativity. The management team and the core team, few of them are sitting here with me, इनकी भी बहुत बड़ी contribution रही है, because it's always more the merrier. जितने ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं और जितनी commitment से काम करते हैं, उतना जो है उसका रिज़ल्ट अच्छा रहता है. I cannot forget the contribution of our management headed by our chairman sir, because chairman sir एक ऐसे chairman हैं जिन्होंने हमें एक free hand दिया है to work, and that is the best thing that has happened in this school with me especially as the principal, because जब तक आपके पास freedom और liberty नहीं होती है काम करने की, आप execute नहीं कर पाते हो अपने ideas को. और हमारे स्कूल की एक जो सक्सेस स्टोरी में बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है इज़ द मोटो ऑफ आवर स्कूल, दैट इज़ फैक्टा नॉन वर्बा, विच मीन्स डीड्स नॉट वर्ड्स. और इसका मतलब है कि वी बिलीव इन एक्शंस रादर देन वर्ड्स. जो कुछ हम कहते हैं, वॉट एवर वी से, वी एग्जीक्यूट इट, वी डू इट, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट वी बिलीव इन. और मुझे लगता है कि in coming years, we have completed 10 years of glory, but in coming years also we promise that we will be doing the work with same kind of indomitable spirit and the courage that we have. Although the year 2025 has not been so good, it has been a turbulent year for Jammu and Kashmir especially, but हमारे लिए the end of the year was too good because we have been honored with an international award. तो अब 26 के लिए हम सब के लिए कामना करते हैं कि ये जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए बहुत अच्छा साल रहे with this great beginning, and once again on behalf of the entire team of Doon International School, I wish everyone a great year ahead.